पहले आपने काफ़ी दफ़ा ये बात सुनी होगी कि मोबाइल फ़ोन को चार्जिंग के वक़्त इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि उस वक़्त उसमें रेडिएशन की इंटेंसिटी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है। आइए आपको एक तजर्बे से इस चीज़ को साबित करते हैं।
So today we're going to show you why you shouldn't leave your chargers plugged in. So as you can see, there's power in there. Now you plug in your phone. There's power in there, how it's supposed to be. But if someone is talking on the phone while the phone is charging, the electric waves will come to your body, as you can see. Now, if you unplug them, they're gone. So, bottom line, don't charge your phones while talking.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.